stock motor, TR6060, 75 mil Borg Warner journal bearing with a custom single, or custom, you know, everything else all custom, whatnot. Some BMR parts, and that's about it.
Stick car, nice to see.
It's stick car, yeah. I had some suspension issues today. I don't know if the alignment's off or what, but it seemed like every time I threw third, the car was just getting all over the place.
Yeah,
outside the normal slick sway.
Yeah. Make any good passes today? Any good times?
It went 980 at 146. That's my personal best trap, but I've been 978.
Okay.
At 144.